Hi, hello, and welcome to Plated Poultry, a series on poultry recipes. Please hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Today we're going to cook butter chicken. So we have taken around 200 grams of chicken. So we're going to slice this chicken into small pieces. Now that I've sliced this chicken, I'm going to marinate it. I have taken half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of curd or yogurt, and a little bit of salt to taste. So I'm going to put this in this and we're going to marinate it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now that I have mixed it well, I'm going to keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes for it to marinate. I have taken a medium-sized onion, chopped it. I've taken 2 medium-sized tomatoes, chopped, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 8 to 10 numbers of cashew nut and 8 to 10 numbers of almond, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder. Now usually people use sugar. In this case I'm using a jaggery powder. And half a teaspoon of ajwain powder, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of fresh cream, 25 grams of butter. I have cut into 2 pieces. I have taken a non-stick pan. I'm going to use 50 ml of oil. I'm going to add 1 piece of butter out of that 25 grams. The butter is melted. Now we'll add the chicken. Now the chicken is cooked. We're going to take it out and keep it separately. We're going to use the same oil. Add the onions. Once the onion becomes glossy, we'll add the ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. At this point, add the cashew and the almonds, chili powder, turmeric powder, the ajwain powder, salt. Now lower the flame. Keep stirring a little bit to get the color. Now add the tomatoes. Mix it well. Allow the tomatoes to cook. We'll close the vessel with a lid. Once it cooks for 3 to 5 minutes, open the lid and see. Okay, the tomatoes are cooked. Now Turn off the stove and allow it to cool. This should cool at least for 10 minutes. After it cools down, we're gonna put it in a blender and blend it. Once this is cooled down, we add the jaggery. Mix it up well. Now we're gonna shift this to a blender. We're gonna blend it into a fine paste. We have blended it into a nice paste. Use the same non-stick pan. Add a little bit of oil. The reason why I'm adding the oil is, if you use only the butter would actually turn into brown. So I'm adding a little bit of oil, adding the butter. The butter is melted. Always melt the butter in a lower flame. Once the butter is melted, add the blended paste. And keep stirring it. I've added a little bit of water to it. Once it starts to bubble up, add the chicken. Now once it comes to a boil, lower the flame. At this point, add the fresh cream. And stir it well. Now wait for it to boil. Let it boil for at least 1 minute. At this point, you have the kasuri methi. Crush it nicely. Taste the salt. Needs a little bit of salt. Just gonna add it. Now switch off the stove. Your butter chicken is ready to be served. Hope you love these videos. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.